Ever wondered how you can start trading stocks and potentially earn from the stock market? If you're a complete beginner and want to dive into the world of trading, this video is for you. Stick around and we'll guide you step by step on how to start trading stocks successfully. Trading stocks can seem intimidating at first, but it's actually a lot simpler than you might think. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can start trading. So, where do we begin? Let's start with understanding the basics of the stock market and what you need to get started. The stock market is essentially a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of companies. These shares represent a small ownership in the company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. As the company's value increases or decreases, so does the value of your shares. To start trading, the first thing you need is a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell stocks. There are many online brokerages available today, such as Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade, that make it easy to start trading with low fees. Choose a brokerage that fits your needs and set up an account. Once you have your brokerage account, the next step is to fund it. You can transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account. This money will be used to buy stocks. Now that your account is funded, it's time to start researching stocks. This is one of the most important steps in trading. Look into companies that you're interested in or that you believe have growth potential. Read their financial reports, stay updated with their news, and understand their business model. But how do you actually choose which stocks to buy? This is where strategies come into play. There are different trading strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Let's break these down to see which one might be right for you. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within the same day. It requires a lot of time and attention, but can be profitable if done correctly. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding stocks for a few days to a few weeks. It's less time-consuming than day trading, but still requires active monitoring. Long-term investing is buying stocks with the intention of holding them for years. This strategy is based on the belief that the value of the stocks will increase over time. It's less risky and less time-intensive compared to day trading and swing trading. Regardless of the strategy you choose, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different stocks to reduce risk. Don't put all your money into one stock. Instead, invest in various industries and companies. Finally, always keep learning. The stock market is constantly changing, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies will help you make informed decisions. There are plenty of resources available, from books and articles to online courses and forums. In conclusion, starting to trade stocks as a complete beginner might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate the market successfully. Open a brokerage account, fund it, research stocks, choose a strategy, diversify your portfolio, and keep learning. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident stock trader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies on trading stocks. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.